It's that time of year again. It's getting really hot out. I just want to remind you to make sure you check your AC condensing unit to make sure it's clean. Northwest Indiana has been in a big drought, so the cottonwood's been extra bad this year. I believe this unit's well over 20 years old. I've been taking care of it and it's still going pretty well. I was having some problems with it last year, so I did some maintenance on it. I took it apart, found a few little things wrong. I'll put that video together for you in a couple of weeks. It cost me less than $30 and it's been running better than it ever has. So I'll try and get that out to you as soon as I can. The things I did do to it are things you can do as well. I am not an air conditioning person, so I just have some mechanical abilities, and I'll show you exactly what I did and how I found the problem. One of the ways I realized I was having a problem was my electric bill went up substantially from the year before during the summer. To replace this unit, it would have cost me $6,000 just to replace the condensing unit. And I'll tell you why in the next video. So I took it apart and I found some problems, and a $30 part brought my electric bill down almost $200 a month from changing that part. This video is just a reminder to keep your AC clean. Until next time, thanks for watching.